Today we are with Creme of Nature shooting my fabulous new hair color. I have fire red. I love it so much. It brings out my personality. It has a great ombre effect to it. The tips are very red and vibrant. So when I smile, it just illuminates my smile even more.
Hi, my name is Athena and I'm originally from Jamaica. I just moved here from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'm so glad I got this opportunity to shoot with Creme of Nature. I'm originally from Jamaica, so you don't know, see a girl just come up here, I'm blessed, you see it. So yeah, I'm so happy because I got this really beautiful color for the new line, and this is Indigo Blue. It's so pretty. As you can see, me look good. It look good, everything just hype up, you see it. So
hello, my name is Jonelle. I'm in ATL for the Creme of Nature hair color shoot. This is big for me. I really enjoy the people that I'm working with. My hair color is royal purple. I love it. It's golden. What I liked about this process is the smell of the product. It's amazing. It's just so yummy. It's lovely.
Hi, my name is Lizzie and I'm on set with Creme of Nature. And my color hair is Fuschia. So I did not expect to wear like a popping color. I used to wear like black hair and I love it. It's just like make my face lighter. So I mean, it's just amazing. I love it. It's fun.